Well, for a whole lot of reasons, thousands of grandparents across North Alabama now have the task of raising their grandchildren, and for a lot of them, it is a task financially as well. We turn to WAY31's Maddie McCaffrey to tell us what one local group is doing to support those families.
Grandparents as Parents, or GAP, says the need for funding is urgent because most of these grandparents aren't getting any help from the state. Keith Lohorn and his wife are among those raising their grandchildren, and they know firsthand just how much it takes.
Like us, it was just, hey, take them or they're going into foster care. Well, there was no question. There was not a question at all what we were going to do.
They started GAP to provide education, advocacy, and resources for families like theirs.
Grandparents are a blessing for these children. Make no doubt about that. Our grandparents and other relatives, caregivers, have basically stopped living their lives to care for their families.
They're currently applying for money from the Alabama Opioid Settlement Fund, and Lohorn says the opioid crisis is one of the biggest reasons so many grandparents are stepping in as more children are born with addiction or fetal alcohol syndrome.
We are going before the Opioid Commission every chance that we get to ask for money because we think these kids deserve it. We think the grandfamilies deserve it, and we think the grandfamilies deserve quite a bit of it because these children are the future, and unless there's a whole bunch of us out there.
GAP received some of that funding last year, but with the number of grandfamilies continuing to grow, the need has only gotten bigger. Now, GAP is working closely with lawmakers to highlight just how big this need really is. They're hoping the state steps in with more help, and they'll find out later this year if they're getting funding. Reporting with coverage you can count on, Maddie McCaffrey, WAY31 News.